Hey everyone, it's Brandon here with the Dumbbell. Today we're going to do a great 10-minute Hulk smash strength training workout. So in today's workout, all we need are some free weights. And if you guys have a couple different options at home, I would make sure to have a lighter weight and a heavier weight. The first exercise we're going to do hop squats. So we're going to squat, tap with our toes, just like this. We're going to jump up, tap with your toes. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. You're getting your butt back as you squat down. And I want you guys to do 20 reps on hop squats. So after we get done with that, we're gonna grab, if you have 2 sets of weights, we're gonna go for the heavier weights here, and we're gonna do bicep curls. So we're gonna curl it all the way up towards our chest. Try not to swing the weights when you guys come up. I see people that go really heavy on these, just trying to go heavy, and they start to have bad form, bad posture, and they swing the weights up. So you wanna keep your back straight, curl it all the way up. So again, just like this. Now after you get done with that, I would go lighter on the weights, and we're gonna do lateral raises. So we're gonna do 20 lateral raises out to the side. You wanna slightly bend your elbows when you come up, and come all the way up to your shoulders. And trust me, with those 2 back to back, your arms are gonna be a little bit on fire. So try to get as many rounds as you can get in for 10 minutes. I would say the goal would be to try to get, obviously, for sure 2 sets. If you can get 3 or 4 sets, that would be fantastic. And just get as many rounds as you can get in for 10 minutes. So if you guys like this video, make sure to comment below, like the video as well. We'd love to get your feedback. And if you guys want a written and physical hard copy of this workout, check our description. There's a link in there that you can click on, and we'll send you that hard copy that you can have for your own personal use. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.